How to book a Rapido ride in advance. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can advance booking on Rapido ride. First is of course download the application via the Google Play Store or any app store available on your mobile device. And this is going to be the application that you need to be downloaded. Click install, and once you've successfully installed it, open it. And in here choose on get started. And from here, input your specific phone number, and from here you can also change the area code by tapping on this little drop-down menu right here. Choose your area code, provide the whole number, choose on sign in with OTP, and you have yourself an account. Now, for you to be able to book in advance, all you have to do is to choose the specific vehicle that you prefer, and of course add the designation or the address where you would like to go to, and next to that is going to be the time or the schedule. Provide exact time for you to be able to get notified ahead of time that you will be setting up, and that is how you book a Rapido ride in advance.